Hey there and welcome to Tactical Llama EDC. My name is Tom. Tonight we're checking out a really awesome favorite of mine. This is something I've been carrying with me since I went to Blade Show East in June, and this has been so much fun to use almost every single day. This is the QSP Canary Glide Lock, and this was a prototype when I picked it up, and this has got a G10 handle, and this is utilizing their new Glide Lock technology. Oh, I just love that ceramic ball bearing action. That is so smooth and satisfying. With a stone-washed 14C 28N spear point blade and a deep carry stainless steel clip that's reversible, the QSP Canary is releasing in 3 different color variants and blade finishes. Here are the other variants that are being released on October 30th. 2024. This is the Tiffany Blue version, and here's the OD Green version. There you have it, the QSP Canary Glide Lock. I think this knife is going to take the EDC world by storm. It's going to become a favorite to many people. It's versatile, it's great, it comes very well recommended from Tactical Llama EDC. Thanks for stopping by.